Hello Belfast, my old friend, I've come to be with you again. I bring to you an orchestra of dreams. Let's get together so we all can sing. For your chorus that you trust now has a name, and peace remains. No more the sounds of violence. The people heard my music strong. The two that I take came as one. Came as one because they all believe a voice together we can all achieve. All those goals in life that believe God's hand in hand throughout this land. No more the sounds of violence. Beneath the neon lights of war, 400,000 maybe more. People laughing without fighting. People sharing the common dream. People sing of hope that makes their heart grow fond, for they belong. No more the sounds of violence. Troubled waters in the past, moving bridges that will last. Watch unite in perfect harmony, bring together two communities. Those city walls that have left your dreams to frown, they will come down. No more the sounds of violence. Then as night came to a close, 400,000 voices rose, each other in a sweet